Hello young friends, this is Chai with Current, your force multiplier for civil services preparations. हम कोचिंग सेंटर नहीं हैं और ना बनने वाले हैं, but through these detailed videos, and this is just a prelude or a teaser to those detailed videos, we will give you historical perspective, context and unique insights which will help you prepare better for civil services examinations. मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं to demonstrate how. Almost every year in civil services exams there is a question on gender justice and gender equality when it comes to politics in India. Why are women so underrepresented in Indian politics? Do women have no say? So मैं आपको कुछ डेटा अभी प्रोवाइड करता हूं. In the 1952 the first Lok Sabha elections of India, the number of elected women MPs was just about 5%. In the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, that has increased to about 15%. तो लग रहा है कि there has been an improvement, but it's far lower compared to many other democracies where women legislators account for almost 50% in the parliament or in an assembly. That is the reality. But there is another way of looking at it, young friends. 1962 में जब लोकसभा इलेक्शंस और असेंबली इलेक्शंस हुए थे, the gap between the male voting percentage and the female voting percentage was 18%, which means hardly any woman used to go to vote also, and that was suppression, right? But beginning 2014, the percentage of women voting in elections is now exceeding that of males. Now that is empowerment. और उससे भी जरूरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि women are no longer willing to listen to their patriarchal society on whom to vote for. They won't listen to their husbands or fathers or fathers-in-law. They have their mind of their own and they will vote whom they want to vote for, which is why आप देखते हैं कि in modern Indian politics we have so much of welfare schemes for women. For a much more detailed video and set of videos, do go to Chai with Current on YouTube. Thank you.